Hello mga pamangkin!
Hello.
Okay, nandito na naman tayo ngayon sa isang episode ng Lord Cantito at dahil nabitin kami doon sa previous episode,
Tayo ba yung nabitin o
tayo
sila yung
nabitin eh.
nabitin?
Tayo nabitin. We wanted to talk more about the infinite possibilities. So more infinite possibilities about, well, the infinity decks that we discussed. Parang, di ba, meron tayong mga inhonorable mentions sa dulo. Yun naman yung i-discuss natin ngayon. Some of
Plus
them
more.
plus more. So, para lang, yung mga nagtatanong, kasi meron din mga nagtatanong sa amin kung paano ba yung mga, how these decks work, no? So, yun, let's discuss that. Okay, take it away, Ian.
Okay, so ano lang naman again is we'll look at the other ones that we do not cover. So
Mm,
still the aggro mid-range control. Sasabihin naman namin kung saan namin saan sa tingin namin
mm.
naka-categorize itong mga ito bago tayo mag-discuss, no? And yung we'll go by the order of how it came out in the previous slide,
Yeah,
the
in the
previous
previous
episode.
episode, yeah.
Yeah, tas we'll be discussing some things. No, so yung una is yung fourth decks, no? We wanted to bundle these two together kasi isa lang naman yung keycard itong
Which is
dalawang deck na
Snowfort,
to, which is Snowfort.
one of the higher
So,
impact cards from
so,
Winterspell.
yung Snowfort really is a menace, a menace, no, na ano na card sa Infinity. Especially that some decks don't even carry item removal. No? And the mere fact that not all decks will carry items means nandyan talaga siya.
Mm-hmm.
No? So we have generally two versions. No? So we have the Amber Emerald Dogs
Aggro, yeah.
Aggro version, and then we have the green purple Tempo version. So the green purple one is the one that is being used by Artabax. No? So again, keycard dito, Snowfort. It's
Yeah.
just an amazingly stupid.
Easily stupid. It's a
Pwede mo sabihin yon?
pwede naman.
Kasi ganun talaga siya eh.
Yeah, the tempo loss doesn't even matter. But
Yeah, it doesn't
kasi the moment
matter.
you play Snowfort, especially dun sa tempo version with Amethyst. Just because they have rush, they take advantage of rush. You get value out of Snowfort the next turn. You don't have to
Mm.
wait for your characters to dry for them to get value out of you and the Snowfort that gives them that additional strength and resist whenever it's your opponent's turn. So it's just too good of a boon to pass up. And same with the aggro version with Amber. Na it really just makes all of your questers much harder to
Harder to
banish.
remove, yeah.
Yeah.
So ano yan eh, parang yung Daisy mo suddenly is out
Yeah.
of reach. So ideally one shot yung Daisy ng isang meme fox. That's how they get you eh. Na parang okay, just quest everything and then okay, next turn I'll just meme fox the Daisy.
Yeah.
And then suddenly parang oh no, it's alive. No? So ganun din parang yung unfavorable trades kasi yung
Mm.
pinaka ano nito eh na they get to do their thing which is questing, and at the same time they're very difficult to remove. So a lot of the removal then suddenly doesn't work. We've discussed this before. Brawl doesn't work, Siso doesn't work. So you need a little bit more effort
And
to
because
get
they are
this
more
ano.
survivable, they could set up for Rapunzel better. Sobrang nagiging
Yun
consistent
yun
ni
yun 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 yun
Rapunzel
yung
dun
sa ano,
sa ano.
yun yung sa Amber version.
Yeah.
So mas ano, mas mas kayang makapag-Rapunzel trap. No? So
Mm.
any deck with Amber will have the ability to do the Rapunzel trap, but much more yung value niya kapag meron nito. So
Natatawa ako
ano
yun doon
siya,
sa ano eh, yung Cursed Merfolk, pumipitik na ng isa.
oo, actually pipitik na
Nakakainis.
isa. Nakakapitik pa siya ng isa. No? Yung Merfolk, yung Diablo, di ba parang so annoying.
They used to be just zero strength. Now they at least hit you for one.
Yung ano diyan kasi is like suddenly yung mga ano mo, white rabbit
Yeah.
mo na suddenly nakakapatay siya ng Diablo, no, yung Peter Pan goes the same, no. Much more so kung may Pan ka na tapos meron kang Iago na
Yeah.
naka-snowfort parang, paano mo hahampasin yan sa susunod na araw?
Or
So unfair,
6.
so unfair,
Yeah.
no? So ano lang siya and then siyempre with the purple version you can bounce it again and then repeat the whole thing parang,
Ah.
so annoying, no? So ano lang yan, parang whichever flavor you choose,
Mm.
no? Hindi naman siya malaking issue. It's just more of like put down a snow fort and you're generally good.
Yeah.
No?
And if you can put down 2, even better.
Even better.
Ang sakit nun, dalawang snow fort. Pero yun nga, given that it hinges a lot on snow fort, you take out snow fort, if you're playing against it, your chances of winning goes higher. Although, you have to remember that snow fort is just an addition that enhance these cards. The core of these decks are still their aggro and tempo are still effective by themselves. It's just really
although
amplified greatly by snow fort.
although yung masasabi ko lang about the Amber Emerald one is that it's just so much better with it.
Yeah,
I'm not saying na
definitely.
hindi mo kayan manalo without a fort, but it's less resilient than the green purple one.
Mm.
I
Okay.
feel,
Okay, tama
no.
naman. I agree. I agree.
So, yung Amber Emerald usually you just have a staring contest
Mhm.
with your opponent until makapaghanap ka ng fort, which is yun nga parang dangerous na rin siya kasi kapag umabot siya ng 7 patay ka na.
Mm.
Kung wala ka ring fort tas nagtinginan lang kayo tas may Sisu, it's practically game
Yeah.
over. So, again, it's personal preference kung anong pipiliin ninyo. If you want the aggro version, the Amber Emerald is better. If you want a little bit more fair, more stable, I guess the green purple is the one. And of course, syempre, idol natin si Artabax, no? And
Yeah.
he always packs the green purple one. So he will have a version of this one updated sa ano. So not much update sa winter spell, but we have this. Ay, winter spell sa wilds, no, but meron tayo niyan. Okay, so moving next is again aggro-ish version, no, which is PS Tempo. So same strategy. Generally, the thing that makes this one a little hindi naman a little better, but which makes this one good is yung bounce package talaga. So you get to quest with very highly efficient questers. Christopher Robin, no, yung Mr. Smee, no, tapos quest nyo for 2, pag mamatay na siya, bounce,
Balik nyo
play it
lang, yeah.
again, di ba? Ganun din for Cobra, Cobra, di ba? Paulit-ulit. Pwede ka mag-ulit ng Pete, no? And then you just have the followers, Diablos, and Brooms to get to your key cards better. So play a dock, di ba? Bounce it again, play another dock.
Yeah. And the
Ganun
board
lang
control
yun.
is just again, it's a tempo deck, so the board control is so good. Especially with Crab and Fox, of course. Then there is also of course, Strength of a Raging Fire, which you can still do the curving out to turn
Curving
4.
out. Pwede. 1, 2, 3,
The
4. Pwede pa
yeah,
din.
pwede pa din
No?
yung gawin yun, yung
Pwede pa
ginagawa
din.
nyo sa core na PS. You can still do it here plus the bounce package. So
Plus the bounce package. Mas efficient nga kasi pwedeng turn 1 cantrip, turn 2 Smee, turn 3 Cobra or Pete, and then Sing. Tapos parang, yun,
oh.
yun na yun. Pwede rin kasi saktong-sakto kasi yan that kung sasabayan mo yung opponent mo, especially if they go first, no? Parang if you're playing with the Steel Song, they'll go Singer 1, 2 drop, Ariel, tapos a whole new world na dapat yan the following turn So, pag pinip mo yan, tas parang strinenk mo yung Ariel niya, parang,
Oo.
ganun, parang, So, then you get to pit again, di ba? Parang, so dun siya bumabawi. And even if magamitan ka ng wheel, the sheer amount of low cost characters
Yeah.
here. Pag sinuka niya yung hand niya, kaya mo rin
Yeah.
isuka yung hand mo,
Actually,
no?
you'd love to be wheeled in this deck.
Although syempre you have to be careful with your bounces, no? Pero kaya niya makipagsabayan kung kaya. No, I know of a few people that will be carrying this deck in our local stuff. So you can maybe expect a few.
Mhm.
Of course, yung upgrades, di natin malalaman kung ano yung mga secret spice nila. No? Magkakaalaman na lang. But we'll have some versions of it. Some might carry dash. But this is the generic PS Tempo, which is reliable.
All reliable.
And not that expensive. So if you're looking to play a deck that is relatively cheap and relatively okay, then magandang choice to. Some other versions will carry the Yensids kasi they'd have a little bit more brooms. No?
Rooms.
So ang ginagawa nila is binabounce sila yung Yensid kasi it quests for 3, then it draws a card when you have a broom. So they have the
Which this one
magic
has.
So yung mga brooms na meron sila is the one that has evasive para humahampas ng Diablo. Some of them might also carry the broom that puts a card from the discard under the deck. So yung ibang ginagawa nila yung mga lilaw lalagay nila sa ilalim, no? Yung mga popsicle ilalagay nila sa ilalim para hindi natatamatawa, mga
Yeah.
ganun, no? So
May mga
there's
tech
a
na
little
ganun.
may maliit siyang tech na ganun if you're going the broom version, no? Although syempre if you just want pure efficiency, then itong gagamitin mo. But the option is there if you want to. Okay, so moving on
Next.
to the next
Oh.
is we've seen it's a core deck with 6 additional cards. No? It's technically the same deck. No? So kung ano yung dogs na nakasanayan natin sa sa
Sa core, yeah.
core, technically naglalagay ka lang ng Chernabog tapos Rapunzels.
Rapunzel.
Minsan nga di na nila nagagamit yan eh. Sa totoo lang,
Mm.
there are some decks that don't even have Rapunzels or
Because of
some decks
Tramp.
that don't even have the UTS,
Yeah.
no? Ang pinaka recent interaction ko with this deck is that we had a staring contest, no? So siya, meron siya mga tao on board. I think one card that would be a great addition to this one is Dale. So
Dale.
kaya kami nagtinginan eh. By turn 3 nagbaba siya ng Dale. So Daisy tapos Willow Daisy tapos Dale. Tapos parang paano ko hahampasin to? No? So kung wala kang removal, talagang titinginan lang kayo. And then he proceeded in the next 2 turns to Big Tramp Chernabog, then Big Trap
Chernabog
and
again.
then and again in the same turn. Tapos parang there's like 18 lore on the other side. I wish I had a B prep. No, yun lang yung ko.
Yun
No?
na yung sagot no?
Yun lang yung sagot eh. Pag na-beep, if you have it, they lose. If you don't, you lose. Ganun lang naman yung eh. Pero
coin flip.
dapat pala screenshot ko yun. Kasi
Sayang.
parang binilang ko eh. So yung pa lang eh. Yung dalawang Trump at yung dalawang Chernabog pa lang. 10 na yun eh.
So malamang si Cricky yung tinanggal niya for Dale or something else?
Wala siyang Pero I feel that the Cricky is still useful.
Yeah, it's still useful. Useful naman yung Cricky.
Yung mga Phoenix siguro yung pwedeng bawasan. Pwedeng bawasan, I guess, yung mga Nilos. No?
Although remind din natin yung mga tao, since we're talking about Dale, in the upcoming Acme, it has just recently been announced pala na set 11 ang legal.
Walang set 12.
Walang set 12.
People will probably not have. Some will have.
Some will have,
cards.
but not very many.
Some people that
will have it.
Will
because of the delay. So
we will remind you dun sa dulo ulit. No? Pero, check din namin kung nakikinig kayo sa amin. No? But again, this deck is just play all the Tramps, play all the Chernabogs, and then just quest for
Yeah.
like a gajillion lore
And
on
of
your
course,
turn.
there's the top deck Gogo Tomago.
Meron pa din yung top deck
Yeah,
go-go
meron pa rin.
Dragons.
It's the most electrifying move in Lorcana. The top deck Gogo Tamago. Everybody just goes, whoa, whenever that happens.
Pero feeling ko yung ano the card that would make this one better talaga is Dale.
Dale.
Kumbaga,
Yeah.
isa ito sa mga decks na
Yeah.
gets way, way better with a Dale.
Yeah, si Rapunzel magiging 5-5.
5-5. Quest mo lang.
Daisy magiging Daisy 4-4.
Problema niya na kung babangga siya o hindi.
So, Trump mo 2-8, 2-6, 2-8, 2-6, 2-6, 6-6.
2-6-6.
Oh, yun.
Yun pa lang parang, huh?
Yeah, but for now, this is again because set 11 pa lang. Hanggang set 11 lang ang legal
Ito, pwede
sa akin.
to.
Pwede ito. Pwede to. Wala lang din.
Hindi siya ganun ka-expensive kung
Yeah.
titingnan mo. If you already have the dogs, then goods ka na. Generally.
Yeah. Alright.
So, next is
Okay.
ikaw.
Bakit ako? Kasi actually,
Kasi blue steel
actually, this is the deck that I least play. I'm still a Kiwi Allies mid-range enjoyer. Yun yung mga gusto ko. But this, it's not that I don't like playing it, but it's my least favorite among Blue Steel. Anyway, just so that to be fair with it, definitely, again, this got a little weaker because of the Hiram ban, but there's still the Shiny Toa and the Lucky Dime combo is still good. And another key line for this is, of course, getting Bell out on turn 1 with your Popsicle or Fortisphere and banishing those so that you could get Bell turn 1 and have an early 3-3 presence on the board by turn 2 that it can, be a scary threat to anyone who dares to quest. There's also the Scrooge McDuck that you can play for free because of all the items. And yeah, current strategy lang is draw play as many items as you can, draw from them with Maurice's Workshop, ramp, and get to your top end, which is either your Hades or your Tamatoa So Shiny, get your Lucky Dime out, and lore bump to 20, which is entirely possible. The highest I've seen, although, is 18. I've seen an 18 lore bump from Tamatoa So Shiny, but that's just 2 items away from a 20 lore. 1 item away from a 20 lore bump. So,
Nakapag-quest ka naman.
yeah. Tsaka nakapag-quest ka na by that time. So, that is more than enough to win the game. It's just really a lot of burst lore in this. And with the addition from Winter Spell of the Blue Smoke, it helps give ward and protect your characters. Akin, ang napaka-critical talaga dito ng Workshop. Because the Workshop is the one that will allow you to go through the deck and get to the cards you want, to get to the cards that you need, the cards like Pete, so that you could tech against those pesky board wipes. Although this is not really that vulnerable to a board wipe, to be honest, dahil panay item yung ilalabas. So, but just to get to those ramp cards or to your scuttles, if you need something with ward that needs to be invincible from all of the other actions that target. So, yeah. But again, this is a weaker version of this deck because of Hiram. Nawalan siya ng card draw. But it's still effective in its own right, thanks to that Shiny Toa and Lucky Dime combo.
I recently fought one.
Oh, really?
With set 12 cards. And they leaned into something that I didn't realize until when they did it to me multiple times. Kung meron tayong Steel Song, siya naka-blue Steel Song.
Oh, yeah.
Kasi
I would think so.
Earlier versions of this one, di ba naalala mo like way back,
Yeah.
set 6, set 5, yung mga Robin Hoods used to sing Wheel, di ba? So, ganun din yung niya. But the thing that happened with me was medyo masakit dahil may Merida siya.
May Merida.
Yep.
So, grab.
So, nung grinab niya ako parang,
grab your sword. Yeah.
Everybody died.
That's 4 damage to everyone.
oh no, and then parang kapag, uy, more people on board, parang, oops, wheel, and more pew-pews, parang,
Okay, that's
why? So ano
interesting.
siya, medyo interesting
Pero
siya.
items pa din yung
Uh,
core niya?
yeah, they
Okay.
had the items, not as many
Of
as this.
course, you're gonna need to leave space
So
for
ano,
Merida and grab your sword.
walang fish bones, but you
Ah,
definitely
okay.
had the ano, you had the shiny Toa, Fortisphere Pop for the
Hmm.
consistency. Um, I saw like one workshop. Ay wala siya nung ano nung Robot Queen.
So malamang it's a very Frank Karsten build na may mga
Yeah,
one-offs and
yeah, parang
two-offs.
parang gano'n. Pero na-wheel ako
A
like
highly
mga twice
tuned build.
na-wheel ako twice.
Okay.
So, wala akong nakitang Hades
Okay.
do'n.
So malamang
Pero
si Hades sinanggal niya.
meron siya nung Scuttles
Well,
and
I
the
think that's a fair
Scrooge.
trade-off to take out Hades for the Merida
Mm,
the
ta's grab your
and grab
sword.
your sword combo. I mean,
Mm,
it's two cards. It's still not as good as one Hades, but if you're on a strategy that tries to take away the every single character off the board, yeah, that's a much better route to go.
yeah, pero parang once ko lang 'yung nakalaban.
Okay.
Just saying na ano, parang may sumusubok,
Actually, ngayon
'no?
wala akong nakakalaban na ganito recently.
Well,
Mas
we'll see.
mas prominent I think yung susunod ba? Yung susunod na
Ay,
deck.
di natin alam. Ito kasi parang as you're climbing the
Ah,
ladder,
that's true.
ano yan, parang the less junk yung mga kalaban mo. No? So, ano, parang this was like early before the reset when
Mhm.
people were still playing dun sa unranked. So ngayon na naka-ranked, parang everybody's playing.
Okay. For those recently, wala pa akong
Ruby
nakalaban.
Amber, 'no?
Ruby
So ano
Amber.
siya, so parang nung nakalaban ko yung may Merida was before Wilds. It's
Mm,
just like a week ago. So
okay.
may alam ko meron tayong mga Merida enjoyers dito. So pwede siya mag-fit. Kaya nakita ko, talo. I lost by the skin of my teeth. No? So anyway,
Ayan, ito nga yung sinasabi
the
kong
next
mas
one.
na-encounter ko, which is
Uh,
green-blue items, which still has the Tamatoa Dime shenanigans, but with the addition and the workshop, but with the addition of Ratigan's Trap to give you more time to set up.
more time to set up and make people's lives harder.
Mm.
No?
Dito na pumapasok yung isa pang Tamatoa, the Happy as a Clam, because it's just going to keep recurring Ratigan's Trap over and over again.
Mhm.
So yun yung
Yung
yun yung naging ano niya, parang it's much slower than SS items, but not by much because SS items is also a slow deck. But with this again, Ratigan's Trap buys you a little bit more time, and it's pretty much an answer to the more aggro decks because it gives you time. It takes away their lore. It burns their lore. So it makes the race a little longer. But
mhm.
it's pretty
Ac
much the same deck. Along with
actually yung ano
Oswald
diyan,
pala.
yung parang one card that yun nga parang it might be unfortunate that yung Ratigan strap might be a little bit difficult to find
Mhm.
kasi set 2 siya. Now, there is an alternative which is yung ano, ano nga ba uli yun basta there's a new item in ano in Wilds that works just like a Ratigan strap. So
So,
parang meron siyang ability na something, 'no, and then yung isang ability niya is lose 2 lord din yung kalaban.
mm, I'll
Pero
just
you
do it in
have
post.
you'll do it in post. So pakita mo na lang yun.
Pakita ko na lang
It's
yun.
here, it's here. Merong problema nun is you have to, exert it
Hmm.
para and then banish it
Hindi kagaya ng
para
Ratigan
magamit
Strap
mo.
na banish
Yes,
lang, straight up.
yung ano kasi is mag-Ratigan strap ka and then you exert it to put down a Scrooge. And
And
then
then,
pwede mo
pwede mo
siyang
siya yun
isak.
yan.
Oh,
Tsaka nga,
yun
pag
yung
lumabas
ano.
din siya to Oswald, you can immediately use it. Kasi
Yes, yun
exerted yung labas
din.
kay Oswald eh.
Yep, yep. So, kaya ito yung mas
Mm.
preferred.
Yeah, and also, of course, it has the additional benefit of Under the Sea, which you
Oh,
can sing
yes pa din.
with your free Scrooges.
Oo.
Dalawang free Scrooge lang, okay na yan.
Mm.
And of
Again,
course, the bells.
with the new song, Kaya, I think yung ano, yung benefit nitong deck na 'to over an RS items is that yung white niya
Yeah,
is ano, puwedeng
one-sided.
one-sided. Well, gano'n din naman with the Sisu, pero kasi ano siya, eh, this is more more annoying, 'no?
And at
Parang
least
kung
under
gusto
the
mo
sea,
ng
you can
mental
sing.
damage, yung UTS kasi nakakanta kasi siya,
You
eh.
can sing it, and then you could still keep on doing
Your
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 item shenanigans
your
with
art
your rest of
yes.
your ink, di ba?
Yeah. So yung list na 'to meron siyang Prince John's Mirror. I like it for the fact that it's like just there to mess with your opponent's hand. Dami pa naman din tao, sobrang dami nilang hand ngayon, no? So yan. It's here. Some people might rock it.
Mas na-encounter ko nga to sa ladder.
I might rock it.
I've probably fought
Ah!
4 of these already.
Nakakainis eh.
Uh,
Nakakainis rin siyang
and
kalaban.
it's hard for my deck, the Kiwi, because of the Ratigan strap and the Under the Sea.
Nabibitin ka kasi
Mm.
bigla, eh, no?
Si Incrediboy
Alright.
ang sagot ko.
Okay, next. Good old
Good old
reliable
Blurple.
Blurple. No, so ano siya,
Consistent in every set, in every
shot shot
meta.
shot up in popularity over the past week again. So yung dalawang deck na biglang naging popular is Ruby Amber and Blurple.
Blurple
So,
again.
so everybody's playing this and Ruby Amber, everybody's playing it, no? So this is just core 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 Blurple with the bounce package, no? Yung bounce package naman,
Mm. At
mura
saka
lang
yung
naman
although
yung
yung addition nila dito is because like, again, because of the existence of Popsicle, Tamatoa, Happy as a Clam has a place in this deck. Unlike in Core na wala tayong such an item that you can recur and then draw cards from, because that's what you want to do from it. You just want to dig through your deck. And that's one of the cards that are very much welcome additions to Blurple. And of course, there some of the new cards from part of the rush characters that are key cards in this is Sven. Sven is just such an efficient challenger. I mean, it's uninkable, yeah, but it
ano yan eh,
takes
ano
out a
eh,
huge target.
kills an Elsa, kills a Rapunzel, kills a Daisy. Marami
Kill,
siyang
kill supported Daisy.
kills a ported Daisy and lives
And
and
lives to tell
lives
the
and
tale.
lives to tell the tale, no? Malaking bagay yung biglang roar, 'di ba?
Yeah. And of
Kasi
course,
evasive so hindi siya
yeah.
pwedeng banatan right away.
And of course, there's also, since you have a lot of cards in your hand and you want to clear a whole board, you could
May
always bring down
Monstro.
Monstro.
Marami ring cards itong deck na 'to, so parang pwede siyang humampas ng maraming beses. And FYI, by the time he clears the board, you can heal him with pop. Tas parang,
Yes.
mo
More value.
more Monstro shenanigans, no? So any deck with pop, just use it freely.
Yeah.
Panlaban siya sa ano, sa go-go.
Keeps the go-go burst low.
Keeps them in check, no? So yung mga matataas yung damage, pwede mong i-bounce, no? Yung mga konti lang, i-ano mo, bawasan mo ng konti. Kasi eventually,
Yeah.
kukunin mo rin naman ng TOA yan eh. Tapos parang, more.
Tapos iba-bounce mo pa si Demona.
Mm.
Kukuha ka uli ng 3 cards.
Daming ink
And
nito. Actually yung medyo flex dito, I feel that not parang when the Blurple train started, medyo maraming gumagamit ng bell.
Bell, yeah.
No? Yeah, so the blue bell na kasi ginagawa niya is ano siya eh, parang pag may nababanish, 'di ba, it goes to the
Yeah, so
inkwell.
suicide yung yung mga
Suicide may
challengers.
mga plus even if I'm not mistaken, even yung mga Churna, even yung mga
Yeah,
brutes when they
they do.
die, so pwede silang mag-i-ink. Naka-draw ka na, nakapag-ink ka pa, nakapag-quest ka pa.
Value on value on value.
Value on value on value. So yan siya.
Yeah,
No?
that's Blurple. Wala nga
That's
dito yung
Blurple.
wala pa nga tong Let It Go eh. Hindi na kailangan
Yung iba
ITU na
syempre,
lang.
some would have Let It Go, some would still have the Cheshire Cats.
Cheshire,
No?
yeah.
So, and just reminding people na these are still available. Pero parang again, we're not just focusing on this deck.
Mhm.
So, sinasabi din namin yung mga ibang posibleng nakikita namin na variations.
Yep,
Okay,
yep.
dokes.
Next,
Next.
Max
So,
Shark.
good
Good
old
old.
reliable, the DKP special.
Yes.
Meron pa rin gumagamit and still annoying. Nakakainis pa din.
May nadagdag ba dito? Parang wala. It's the
Parang
same.
same. No.
Cinderella.
One, may Cindy for one and yung iba naglalagay sila ng yung Olaf
The Olaf na
na
red, the red Olaf.
pag maraming action na biglang kumakain ng lore.
Yeah.
So dun siya nagde-deal ng psychological damage. No?
Yung parang, I'm close to 20. Nope. Olaf goes
Nope.
down.
Nope.
Olaf pulls you down again.
Tas parang yun nga, parang pag may shark ka na, tapos
Yeah.
merong manor, parang obligado kang humampas ng manor, hahampasin ka ng Maui, tas magpa-pirates life na naman siya or mag-BB prep na naman siya, parang so parang no. Might not be as strong as the RS items, but meron pa ring taong
Yeah,
gumagamit.
may buga pa din. Pirate's Life is one of the cards that apart from Maui, but if Maui's there and Pirate's Life is there, just keeps on gaining and losing lore, gaining and losing lore, and you get lore from Maui whenever you play it. So
Yeah.
and Maui's hard enough to deal with. I'd actually even wager that someone might even replace a few. Actually,
Meron na
Copper.
akong nakalaban na
May Copper.
Copper.
Yun nga.
Oo, kasi ano eh.
uh,
sikat kasi ngayon ang libraries
mm,
sa Ruby Amber. So, Ruby Amber, Ruby Amethyst. So kung may Copper ka, like one shot
one-shot library.
one shot library. Oo, kasi ano eh, yung Ruby Amethyst talaga, parang nakasalalay sila with, nagli-lean in sila sa libraries and or Queen's Castle. No? So, those are there.
May mga nagpapalit ba ng How Far I'll Go for what else can I do? Parang hindi, no?
Nope. Still How Far.
Yeah,
kasi
it's
pwede
cheaper.
Yeah, pwede cheaper. Kinakanta siya ni Tala, kinakanta siya ni Cindy.
Yeah.
Yep. So, mas maraming efficiency na nagaganap dito. They get to it a little bit faster. They get to the Mauis a little bit faster. And then pag nandiyan na si Maui, parang
the game just stops.
titigil bigla yung laro
game eh. Unless you also have your own evasive big hitter like a who's that, Slushy?
Like an Iago with a fort.
Yeah, Iago with or a Slushy.
Walang Slushies. Iago.
Iago, yeah. That's the more.
Si Pan nandun lang siya sa gilid. Tapos parang, so Iago with a fort. Oh no. Kaya yun yung ano eh. Again, fort talaga parang, fort.
But yeah, this is still a good deck to start off with. Because again, DKP.
Well, mahal siya.
It works for DKP, it'll work for you.
But again, yung power level niya might not be as strong as before. But again, kung gusto mo ng konting variety, this is available to you.
Yes.
Okay, so next.
Oh, this is one of the rarer ones.
It's
very rare, but it's fun to encounter. Jafar Wheel.
Jafar Wheel. No? Pag nagbaba na siya ng turn to Jafar, alam mo na.
Yeah, pag nakita mo yung Jafar na maliit na yan, talaga, okay, I'm playing against the Jafar Wheel.
Jafar Wheel. No? So, ang Jafar Wheel, again, medyo ano siya, unknown. Hindi naman sa unknown, pero parang it's such a niche deck.
Yeah.
No? Ginamit ito ni Zan, like right before Fable. Pinagana niya. I think he won an event with a Jafar Wheel. And everybody started using Jafar Wheels. No? So the main combo nitong ano na to is that you play a small Jafar, you shift a big Jafar, And
And then,
then the big Jafar sings a wheel, a
eh,
whole new world, no? And then gains 7 lore.
in one
So
turn.
parang in one turn, no? So hindi lang yun yung draw niya most likely. So
Mm.
parang yung key card dito of course is the Striking Illusionist where you have a ano, what do you call this, a Jafar. Pag exerted siya, every time you draw you gain a lore. You can do the Dumbo thing, no? You can wheel. You have
Beast,
the beast is
which gives you
there.
two lore per turn if they're inserted.
You also have friends, no? So, lahat na ng pwede mong gawin para mag-draw ka.
You just gain lore from drawing cards. That's
Yep.
it. I mean, again, it's not there's not many people who use this, but it is notorious. People know about this deck. That's but they not very many play it. But you
Annoying
might be
points.
the one that's
You
playing
might
it.
be,
No one
kasi meron,
expects a Jafar
no
wheel.
one expects a Jafar
Actually
wheel.
they do. Pag
They,
nakita
they,
na nga
they,
nila.
ito ba nakita napanood na nila to? May ganong klaseng deck pala. No, ito, tawag mo nun, kasi meron rin nag-place na Jafar wheel sa
Mhm.
top 8 in one of those things. Kaya nga ito meron tayo, no. Um, ano lang, parang it's something that you might encounter. Parang sabihin, ano ba tong deck na to? But sikat kasi siya at one point in time,
Mm.
no? So, may mga ang variations ito is that they would have yung lamp, Genie's lamp. They would have
The lamp.
Genies as well, no? So, kanya-kanyang version. Itong version na to kasi prioritizes the singing of yung A Whole New World. Kaya meron siya ng Mickey Mouse kahit wala nung broom. Yun yung rason niyan.
Just for the shift.
Oo, para shift thing kasi siya, eh. Plano nito is to win on the turn.
Yeah.
No, na parang, pag nag-shift Jafar ka, then gain 7, draw 7, and then dun sa 7 na mabubunot mo, meron kang nakaabang na Robin Hood or meron kang nakaabang na Mickey Mouse to sing it again and then grow 7 na naman. So, most likely panalo ka
Yeah.
na
That
by
double or
that
triple
time.
wheel that you're gonna
Yeah.
chaining the wheel, the A Whole New World. Is that
Mhm.
that's what you want to happen? Yeah.
So panlaban dito obviously speeds, repeat
Mhm.
mo siya. So parang
Tsaka patayin mo yung mga
eventually,
Jafar na shiftan.
patay mo yung maliit na Jafar. Yun lang yung solusyon diyan. Pag may nakita kang Jafar, patayin mo na agad. No? Hindi naman nagke-quest yung mga yan, eh. Talaga nandiyan lang sila
Yeah.
nakaabang. Pero yung Jafar na Cobra might be a little bit more difficult to deal with, but I mean like Jafar. Jamir.
Jafar.
Ay,
Ay.
alam mo, ang daming deck na diniscuss natin na parang, uy, may pyesa tayo nito. Ano, ano kaya pwede gamitin?
Ikaw, gamitin mo.
Surprise, no?
Ako naman,
Surprise, meron tayong towas.
ikaw lang naman ang pwedeng, ang flexible dito. Ako hindi. Blue
Pa,
steel
pampat,
ako.
pampatanggal ng umay.
Uh,
Anong version na lang
yun
yung
na lang,
gagawin.
ibang version ng Blue Steel. Anyway,
No? So, and
moving on, the
lastly,
last deck, diniscuss din
we have,
namin nung last episode briefly, is the Christmas Hurt combo. Na nabiktima na ako nito. 2 beses.
it's a more solid combo deck.
Mm.
Although of course itong version na to na nasa screen doesn't have the Hurt combo, no. But this is the core version, parang core deck,
Mhm.
the discard version, and then you might have to remove some or add some things, no.
Mhm.
So baka pwede mong tanggalin yung mga Tremaine, yung mga Medusa in favor for Hurt Megara.
Hurt and Megara, yeah.
Yep. Yung mga Webbies, depende
Mm.
sa'yo kung gusto mong nandyan siya. But the discard package, yung Chill, yung Bruno, yung Undermine, I think should be there so that you can dig for your stuff. No? And pag lumabas na yung Baby Herc, parang it's done.
Yeah, Baby Herc and Megara, it's done. Pero, again, in this version, wala yung Baby Herc kasi bawal siya sa,
Hindi, and bawal siya.
sa upcoming. Pero,
baka sa picks pwede, pero parang
pero
for now,
for Acme, hindi siya pwede. But with
for
this
now, hindi.
version, it's just really, again, you're going to be using the discard package a lot. You're going to be depending on Maui Shark for your board control and of course some lore
Mm,
gain, and getting
mm.
those undermines back to your hand, your pirate's life back to
Pirate's
hand.
Life back to hand.
The only problem with this deck is the card draw. If you don't get your Diablos, your
You don't get your PJs,
yeah,
medyo mahirap
medyo
siyang
mahirap
ano.
siya. But once you've established your draw engine, it should be a much smoother match for you. Kasi Undermine is one of the, is a very strong card. That's why it's restricted in the worst color combination ever. I guess
Ang
that makes up for it.
ang ano kasi diyan is yung ano mag-a-undermine ka na kapag discard ka na, plus yung mga Ursula mo biglang
Yeah.
hahampas, 'no? Yung Mauis become like coppers
Yeah.
suddenly. No, yung mga chip can now hit for 5, so they can terrorize people
Yeah.
if need be. More songs might actually also require muses, gano'n. But in general, if I were to play it, I would play it with a discard package. Ito, which is this one. Okay. So, we've discussed a few decks that you might encounter in the ladder. Maybe some ideas for people to try out for Infinity. Some of the decks that we discuss here are very affordable, no? Yung PS Tempo pa lang parang hindi na siya gano'n ka
Yeah.
it's probably one of the cheapest ones that you can
Mahirap lang
use.
siguro yung dock.
Yung dock pa nga yung pinakamahal dun sa
Oo.
deck na yun, eh. Sa totoo lang,
Mahirap lang.
'no? Mahirap pa din maghanap,
Mm.
pero parang compare it to let's say naghahanap ka ng Ratigan Strap compared sa naghahanap ka ng Merlin Goat. Mas malayong makakahanap ka ng Merlin
Merlin
Goat
Goat,
kaysa ng
yeah.
Ratigan Strap. Kasi yung key cards nung bounce package is available in the starter deck nung Amethyst Steel ng set 2, 'di ba?
An
Meron.
no, meron yun.
It has one meme fox. It has a few meme snakes. It
Mm.
has a rabbit, I think, and it also has yung
May goat.
goats. Mm,
May goat din. Yun.
Yep. So yung kaya hindi siya ganoon ka difficult hanapin kasi available siya in the starter.
Yeah. Ayun nga, tanungin nyo na lang yung community, malamang sa malamang, meron din isang meron siya.
Meron siguro.
Mm.
May mga nag-procure naman from outside. So,
Mhm.
yun. Okey-doke. So again, just some reminders. So same set of events ang meron tayo. So Asia Circuit this weekend,
This
'no?
weekend na
And
unfortunately
then
hindi ako makakapunta. Si Ian lang ako
boo!
makikita niyo.
Tas hulaan niyo na lang kung ano yung lalaruin ko.
Yeah.
I'm still not decided on
Mm.
what I will use, 'no?
Yeah.
So I have a few decks to choose from, and then surprise na lang. 'Pag nakita kayo ng Jafar, alam niyo na.
And remember, for
Actually, dapat pala di ko diniscuss para meron
sayang
tayong
mga ano.
sayang,
Ikaw eh.
sayang,
Hinanap mo pa eh.
sayang. Oo nga, nakahanap ako ng listahan, eh.
But again, reminder lang, Asia Circuit main event is still set 11 Infinity. Wala pang set 12. So, kung meron na kung nagbabala kayo mag-set 12, huwag nyo nang ituloy. Then, of course, there's Pix
Baka
Infinity Cup on May 24, and the Lorcana Open at Hobby Stadium on July 9, which is just a few days away from DLC Manila on July 11 and 12. And na-skip natin yung DLC Beijing na June 6 to 7 na sana may Pinoy contingent. Ako hindi, I was 50-50 to go, but now I'm at 0% to go because of life.
ako will see.
Yeah,
Still
we'll see. Kaya
thinking.
pa. Okay, sige.
Ano ba? May masyado na malapit na pala, 'no?
Malapit na yan.
Malapit na 'yan. We'll see.
Yun.
Okay.
Anyway,
So,
before we
mabilis lang.
go,
Oo.
of course, pinangako natin last week na magpaparaffle uli kami. So, yeah, let's just Let's get that set up. Hello ulit at ito na po, nakabukas na po ang ating Wheel of Names na totally freeware.
Totally freeware.
Na hindi namin binayaran. Anyway, ipaparaffle po namin
Hindi
ngayon.
naman kasi siya
Hindi
talaga.
ba naman talaga? So, ipaparaffle namin ngayon ang, speaking of libre, ang Lorcan Tito Cup na ito, yung...
First merch that will go out.
Yeah, yung mesh, this is the trucker mesh hat. And yung isa is yung snapback na nasa gilid lang yung maliit na Lorcan Tito para pwede nyo salpakan ng mga pin dito yung cap nyo for more personalization. So yun, ang una nating winner, spin the
People
wheel.
want it. Pero pag ayaw ninyo, pwede nyo yung balik.
Grabe naman. Napaka self-deprecating. Of course they want it. It's free stuff. Simulan na natin.
With free stickers.
May free stickers pa pala. Yun. Hindi ko na-mention. Meron kayong free stickers, one of each ink color. And lumabas na yung bagong batch din namin ng mga waterproof ones. So, yun. Mas maganda na yung sticker quality na pamimigay namin.
Si BJ, daming time eh.
Wala akong time. Ina-outsource ko yan sa ibang tao. Ganun Anyway, let's start. Yung first winner. Ito muna, yung suot ko mismo.
Umiikot naman siya. Kita niyo naman.
Kita niyo naman yung names, yung mga ating mga holdover, tsaka yung mga nag-comment nung last episode nandyan. So,
yung nag-comment last episode, nandito?
Meron
naman. Dinagdag natin. Nandito sina Bong. Hi, Bong. No? Actually, it's also partially because of Bong. Kaya natin tinuloy ito.
Yeah, si Bong kasi yung nag-insist na we go dive deeper into the honorable
kasi
mentions. Kasi
nagpe-prep din siya eh. Nagpe-prep din
He's also he PM niya din ako minsan to get some advice. I just hope I gave him good advice.
Kaya yan kasi actually ang nakakatawa is marami rin talaga tayong mga players at are really good players. Si Bong, lang yan, tahimik lang yan, pero, naku, pag ka niyan, GG ka talaga dyan sa isang yan, no?
Delikado din yan.
Dangerous. Delix. Marami tayong mga Delix na, na players, no? So anyway, no? Kung siya talaga makakuha nito, hindi. Fair.
Fair.
Okay,
spin the wheel. Tingnan natin, sino? Si Bong nga! Rigged! It's rigged!
Not rigged!
Anyway, Bong, congratulations. You won the Trucker Mesh Lorcan Tito hat. We will just give it to you when we see you in the next event. Probably Acme. Ano?
Gusto ko lang sabihin. Baka sabihin ng mga tao rigged ito FYI, this is the same wheel of
names,
wheel of names
from last time.
Access online na wala talaga siyang
hawak dyan. Baka naman may voice command doon narinig bong.
Nakikita niyo naman ng ikot eh.
Ayun. Anyway, again, congratulations, Bong. Let's remove Bong from this list.
Bong from the list.
And next up, again, mabilis na itong raffle na to is the snapback, the knitted snapback hat na maliit na Lorcan Tito logo, tapos para may space, nasasalpakan nyo ng pins o kung ano-ano man. Yun, spin the wheel.
Yoink. Sino kaya? Totally not rigged.
Oy! Si Paul!
Congratulations. Sa ating mga OG, OG na mga manonood.
Yeah, thank you very much, Paul. And congratulations, nanalo ka ng isang snapback hat na Lorcan Tito. We hope you enjoy it and we will give it to you on the next event. And yun, dalawa lang pamimigay natin. Diyan na po nagtatapos.
Hindi pa, kasi because of life, sabi ni BJ, because of life. Ako rin, medyo because of life, hindi kami nakapag-prepare ng prizes ng maayos. So, kasi madali rin na naman magpa-raffle ulit kung kakailanganin, no? So, kung ano lang yung available sa amin na medyo within arm's reach. No?
Literal na within arm's reach.
But we still have some prizes that we would want to share next time na parang at least makita ninyo, okay, ito yung kasama sa raffle para ganahan kayo to interact with us,
Yes.
'di
So
ba?
yun, para makasali kayo ng raffle, mag-comment
Tanggalin
lang
natin si
kayo.
Paul.
Tanggalin na natin si Paul. Yan yung mga holdover.
Comment ka na lang ulit.
Oh,
No?
mag-comment na lang kayo uli, and if it's a meaningful interaction, it's a comment that we like, we will add you to the list so that you could be up in the raffle again. Yan.
Okey-dokes.
At dyan na po nagtatapos officially ang episode na ito. Salamat muli sa inyo. So like, share, subscribe, comment, and we will see you in the tournaments.
See you in the tournaments.
Bye-bye!